reason we're really here is you're actually the winner of the free roof.
Absolutely.
No,
Yeah.
Yeah.
You absolutely
Oh my
are.
God, I'm getting chills.
Yeah.
Honest to God.
That's why we're here.
Honest to God.
Yep.
Thank you.
Sure. Yeah, no problem.
Thank you.
Yeah, man.
And
I know you're waiting for something good to happen. Here it is. Yeah.
yeah, I can't. I'm not putting on a show.
Yeah.
I'm tickled. Tickled pink. Am I pink?
Yeah, but you might be getting there.
So how did you find out about this again?
Well, I went about a week and a half ago to my state representative, which Scott Perry is now in charge or something, and I asked where I could get some help, to get a roof put on. And he called me and he said, I just heard about your program of a free roof, every 20th of the month, right? And he said, at first he said, were you in the military? And I said, well, yes, but I was in the reserve. But she said, well, I'm going to submit you right now. And she did maybe a week ago or 10 days ago, and here you guys
Happened
are.
pretty quick, didn't it?
Yeah, it happens pretty quick.
I don't believe it. I believe it.
Yeah.
But it's amazing.